guys, it's Kelsey here. So today I'm going to be filming a Zara haul for you guys. Zara recently had a sale. Well, I don't know how recent it was because I got this stuff on sale last month. So I've had this stuff for quite a while. I was supposed to film this haul over a week ago, but you know, life. But I'm finally filming it now, and I haven't done a clothing haul in a very long time. You guys know we used to do clothing hauls way more frequently on this channel, but I've been trying to buy way less clothes over the past few years because I had a clothes buying problem at one point. But I feel like this was justified because I got all this stuff on sale. So the first thing that I got were a few jackets because it's still winter, of course, and I wanted to get this particular jacket for the longest time. I have been eyeing this jacket for the longest time. This is actually the only thing that I did not get on sale because they didn't have it on sale, and I've been wanting this kind of jacket forever. I've been seeing it all over my Pinterest and I'm obsessed with it. And I've been seeing this jacket in different variations of colors, but I really like this really dark chocolate brown. And I like the tones of this one, and I like the texture of the leather on the jacket because it's not too shiny, because some of the jackets that I was saying like this looked kind of cheap to me, and I feel like this looks more expensive. I love this like faux sheep texture on the inner lining of the jacket, and then it comes all the way out on the collar, and it's also on the sleeves. This jacket is so comfortable. It also has like this nice foamy feel to it. It's like really cozy. I got this in a size medium. I never get my jackets in a small. I just prefer them to fit oversized, and it's so warm. So this is like a perfect transitional jacket, like going into spring. So it's also why I got this, because I know I'm going to be wearing it a lot towards the end of winter and going into spring, because it's usually still pretty cool here. During springtime, end of March, it's still pretty cool here, so I feel like I will get a lot of use out of this jacket before winter's over, and of course for when winter rolls back around. Next, I got a couple of denim jackets, and if you guys don't watch our vlogs, then you don't know that I recently cleaned out my closet and I got rid of a ton of stuff, including all of my denim jackets, because they all had shrunk. And I prefer, like I said, my jackets to fit oversized. So I got two different colors. I got a lighter wash denim, and I got both of these from the men's section, by the way, because I love men's jackets. They just feel more like cozy to me, and I like to wear them to the movies and stuff like that. So you guys know I like to shop in the men's section a lot. They just have like cooler pieces sometimes depending on what I'm looking for. It's just a simple light wash denim jacket, and it has like nice distressed detailing on the collar. This is also a nice soft denim. It's not too like hard and itchy, because some denim is like really hard and it's very uncomfortable to wear, but I love how soft this is because I can still wear this going into spring with like a dress or something. Or like a crop top and some jeans or something like that. I like my denim jackets to be a lot softer, and when your denim jacket touches your actual skin, you don't want it to be like hard or dense or itchy or anything like that. So I love that this denim is nice and soft. So I was so excited that these were on sale, because denim jackets can run kind of expensive, especially men's jackets. So I also got the same jacket in this medium wash. This one doesn't have as much distressed detailing, but I still love the color of this one depending on what I'm wanting to wear. And I like the option to like roll up the sleeves. That's why I prefer a jacket that's oversized, because you can just wear it like regular, or you can have the option to like roll the sleeves up to give it like a more casual, relaxed vibe. So I love that. So next, I got a few dresses on sale. That's actually the rest of this haul. They're dresses. So I got a ton of dresses on sale because that's like one of my favorite things to wear in spring and summer. They're just so easy, so quick. I've also been wearing dresses a lot during the winter, surprisingly. I used to not really be a dress girl. Kendra's more of a dress girl. I'm more of like tomboy vibes, more eclectic with my style, but dresses are just so quick and easy. Yeah, you don't really have to think much when you don't know what to wear. You just pick a cute dress. So this first one that I have here is actually a cow print. I know that's kind of interesting because when you think cow, you think big, but this print is just so like pretty and sophisticated to me. I never thought that cow print would be that, but it is. So this dress is so pretty. This is a silk maxi dress, and it has like a really pretty V-line in the front, and it's spaghetti straps. They're also adjustable, which I love, because sometimes when straps aren't adjustable, they don't really give my boobs a lot of support, because obviously I can't wear a bra with this. It has like a nice low back that's really cute as well that I love. And I love that this one in particular has like a zip on the side, because some dresses that aren't very stretchy, that don't have a zip on the side, are very hard to get into. So yeah, I love that this has a zip on the side, even though this material is actually pretty stretchy. It has like a nice bounce to it, and it's so freaking comfortable. That's also why I love dresses in spring and summertime, because they feel like you're wearing a nightgown out. So you basically can get away with wearing like pajamas while you're out, but it doesn't look like pajamas. So I love how long this is as well. Like, I love how the bottom moves. It just looks and feels very slinky and like very like super feminine, like so cute. So I love the way this fits, and I love the feel of the material of this dress. I wish they had this like specific material in more dresses. So I'm so glad I got this on sale. The original price for this was $60 and I got it for $27. Okay, so this next dress, I was gonna say it's my favorite out of all of these dresses, but now that I'm looking at all of them and now that I've tried all of them on, I don't have a favorite. So this one doesn't want to stay on the hanger very well, but this is a beautiful silk white midi dress, and it has like a beautiful like sweetheart neckline. Kind of looks like a very sexy like Bardot bra look that I really like. And this honestly looks like you can wear it to like a bridal shower if you're the bride. Do not wear white to somebody's function unless they ask you to. But when I saw it online, I thought this was like the most pretty, beautiful, like pearlized white. It's just so pretty and feminine and soft looking, and it's actually really comfortable. And I love the back as well. It has like a really nice crisscross detailing. I had a lot of dresses last summer like this with like a really nice like crisscross back. It's kind of complicated like on the hanger, but when you put it on, it's way easier to figure out. And it like cinches you really nicely, kind of like a bustier. I'm sorry, I'm doing a terrible job at holding this up because like I said, these straps are, you know, kind of confusing when it's on the hanger. But I just love how this looked online, and it actually fits me really nicely. This was also $60, and I think I got this for, this one I got for $39.99. So I got this like blazer dress. I thought this was so cute. So it looks like a blazer, but it's actually a dress. I love the detailing in the front. It's like an envelope type look. And I thought this would be really cute with like some thigh-high boots, some black thigh-high boots, or either some stockings and some pumps or something to go to dinner. And so I'm obsessed with the shoulders. It has really nice shoulder pads in it. So cute. So I'm definitely gonna wear my hair up when I wear this, like maybe a ponytail or a bun or something. Love this. And it has pockets as well, which I love. Very sophisticated but sexy at the same time. Okay, so the next dress is probably my favorite print if I had to pick. So this print is absolutely beautiful. It gives me like a 70s vibe. When I look at it, it reminds me of the dress that I wore on our birthday last year. It's so weird to say last year because we're at the beginning of this year and our birthday is at the end of the year. So you guys remember I had a similar dress to this in like an orange print that I wore, and it was like more of a turtleneck style, and this one is like a scoop neck and it has like an open back, which I think is really cute and sexy. So I cannot wear a bra with this, but that's fine. I can just wear some pasties or something on my nipples. But I'm just obsessed with the combination of this olive green and then the lime green and then this like rusted burgundy color. It's just like a beautiful combination of colors that you would never think to put together, but they just work. This is also a maxi length as well, kind of like the cow dress. This is actually a little bit longer, so it goes all the way to the floor. So I cannot wait to wear this. I feel like I can wear this towards the beginning of spring, like when it's like warmer out but still like kind of cool, like a nice breeze. So this would be cute to wear to like lunch or something, or like a late lunch going into dinner, you know, like a dinner vibe. So this is just so freaking pretty. And the material of this is super soft. It's like a soft silk. I can't really describe it. So this was also $40, and the original price I think was like $60. This is on the thinner side, so it's not gonna keep you warm. So that's why I say this is perfect for spring. Because the one that I wore on our birthday, it was this exact material and I was so cold. So yeah, this is definitely to me more of like a spring maxi dress. Okay guys, so this next dress I've actually already worn. This is like a really pretty like denim print, like multi-denim print mesh dress. So like the arms are like fully mesh, but it has like an underlining in the middle. I wore this to the house party movie premiere and it was so comfortable to wear. So yeah, I'm just obsessed with how like unique the print is. It really caught my eye. I was like, is that denim? But it looks denim, but the material is obviously not denim. So I just love this look. So I just like the mix of like the modern vibe of like the shape of the dress, but like the print reminds me of like early 2000s with like all denim was like really popular, even though I still love an all denim look even now. But the shape of this kind of like how the neck part goes up reminds me of the dress that I wore on our birthday. Okay guys, and this last dress is a suede dress. It's like a gold color. This color is so freaking pretty. I will wear this to maybe like a winery or something. I feel like I can actually wear even that cow dress to a winery. I probably will because we love going to the winery in spring and summer. But this one I think will also be cute to wear to a winery or to dinner or something. But I will have to be extra careful with this material because it is suede. But it's so soft. It's like a really nice soft suede, and it's very slinky. It also has ruching on the side, like on the hip part, and it has a nice slit as well that gives it a really nice sexy vibe. I prefer my dresses to have a slit because it creates more movement if the dress like is tighter. So if the dress is on the tighter side, I always like to add a slit just so my legs don't feel claustrophobic. But of course with a maxi dress, like, you don't need a slit. I don't have to have a slit with the maxi dress, but this length in particular I like to have a nice slit. So I like that it's already in here because I probably would have cut one into it myself. By the way, all these dresses I got in a size small and they fit perfect. I feel like if I would have got an extra small, they would have been a little too snug for me, and then a medium would have been too big, so the small fits perfect. And I also love that the back of this has like a nice ruching as well that matches like the front like cow neck vibe as well. It's just like relaxed but also dressed up at the same time, you know. So freaking pretty, and this color is gorgeous. It's like a gold yellow, so pretty. Okay guys, so that completes this haul. I thought it would be way longer, but now that I look at everything that I got, I didn't get too many things, so I did pretty good. Because I was giving myself a limit, which I usually don't when I see a sale. Like, you can ask Kendra, if I see sale at one of my favorite stores, I always use that as an excuse to shop or go crazy, but I'm glad I contained myself. You guys let me know if you guys want me to start doing like more clothing hauls again, because we haven't done them that much in the past couple of years, but I would love to start back doing them because there are a couple of other stores that I want to start shopping at and give a try, like Aritzia. I've never shopped at Aritzia before, so let me know if you've ever shopped at Aritzia or any other stores you guys want me to check out and see if they're worth the splurge. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.